So obviously this was to be as awkward as possible, but I actually I need a minute. That's... What? Where is he going? Hey! What? I think I found my own secret win. All right. All right. No. Oh my god, that's the most beautiful thing. This is gonna be ridiculous. No way! Are you kidding me?
Why did I bounce so much?
Oh, clutch.
At one point you got him as well.
I mean, I guess it is the hole for this level, so you know I don't feel bad about it.
Clutch.
Hey, where am I going?
I can't jump this!
Oh, it's right there. Gotcha.
Oh my god, I got plinkoed when I should have plonkoed.
What?
Oh no.
There we go. What the fuck? All right, we're good. We're all right. I should probably stop doing this now.
Anthony,
Wait,
you
you're just doing it. What?
You jumped over me. You are the luckiest fucking player at this stupid, no skill ass bullshit game. Yeah! Eat a dick, Brock! You stupid bitch!
Who's the mad one now?
Come on now.
I'm mad because this game is fucking me in the asshole.
As you said that, my bike just fucking exploded.
Oh, every time you hit me, every time he hits me, I'm the one who dies! I hit him, bounced off, went up around and hit his fucking stupid pink breast cancer awareness line bullshit. Anthony's losing his fucking mind.
No!
How do I have 11? I agree.
I just went to look at Ohm's score and I hit F instead of tab.
What just happened? I stroked out. How?
Oh my gosh!
How did I stroke out?
What is going on? I broke my mouse. I'm pretty sure I broke my mouse.
What just happened? Where did those strokes come from? Wow. That was fast.
I'm almost peed.
You almost peed.
I need to go to the bathroom.
This map has not loaded.
Minnie, why do you always have problems?
I don't think it's just me. This is okay. Broke for you as well, isn't it? This man is prone.
What is going on?
Everyone's just on this side of the map now.
I shot him out of the air!
What is happening? That one. You're custom. What?
This woman's got the woman in pink has shit on her nipples.
Shut up! Where'd he go, Delirious?
What are y'all doing?
Right here. Let's just do it right here.
Listen, this is my business. This is how I'm gonna feed my families. You're over here killing my customers.
I can't stop Brian winning.
What the fuck is that bomb? They went aerial, didn't it?
Motherfuck! Bro! You fucking bitch!
I'm so sorry.
I got hit by a bomb. I'm nowhere near that.
3, 2, 1. Everybody go!
Go, 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 go.
Jump.
Everybody, oh,
Fuck's sake.
Are you fucking kidding me? Don't worry, boys. Panda's holding it open.
What happened?
Wait, what?
He's dead. I don't want to alarm you, but there's a spike going through you.
I think you got. No. See, good for. Fuck. I think good for you would have been better, but.
Gross essay.
Cucumbers are gross, I say.
Oh my god, Diction just went. No way. That's not too far.
He did not hole in one. He did not hole. He did. I shot it straight into the cup.
That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Yes, baby. I'll take that eagle.
Oh my god. I'm gonna try a really stupid strategy here.
I should have gotten a 2 and I took a 4. I 3-putted from an inch away.
No!
It's too late
Double
at night to do
boggle.
this shit.
No fucking way, dude. No fucking way. That bad.
Oh shit! I'm the
Why are you bouncing?
Why did you
Why
bounce?
are you bouncing?
I didn't mean to. I excitedly clicked.
Stupid ass. Bounce again. Damn it.
Slide it in. Right in the pie hole. Right in the pie hole, Moo.
There you go.
Taking a drink.
Oh my god. Panda's gonna die.
No. What?
Holy shit.
Oh, there's a fucking booster. Are you fucking shitting
Oh
me?
no. No stopping.
Oh my god!
Holy
He's a god!
What happened?
He's a fucking god!
Alright, Terroriser.
What the? How the fuck did I do that?
Why did I bounce so much?
Oh, clutch.
At one point you got him as well.
I mean,
Just hit me.
I guess it is the whole for this level, so you know I don't feel bad about it.
Clutch.
Where am I going?
I can't jump this!
Oh, it's right there. Gotcha.
Oh my god, I got
Speedy.
plinkoed when I should have plonkoed.
Oh no. There we go. What the fuck? All right, we're good. We're all right. I should probably stop doing this now.
Anthony, you
Wait, you
know
guys are just doing it. What?
Jiggly has turned into a shark. He's turned into a shark.
This is the drunk. This is how the drunk swims. He's got his legs sticking out of the water.
The water's slowly turning red and yellow from all the pee and blood that's coming off of his body.
We can make it.
We can make it, I think. If we don't do it this time, I guess.
What?
All right. Do you
What's
guys
that?
dare make
Did
it
you hear that?
through my St. Patty's Day?
What? Did you hear that?
Just the way your head's tilted when you're asking for that. Did you hear that? Your head's like sideways.
Guys, there's no
You look
time
like
to
a
be lollygagging.
dog.
You guys didn't hear that, did you?
The owners are almost
I
here.
did.
Oh crap!
What do you think you heard? Was it a barking spider?
The
Yeah, it's a
owners are
barking
almost here.
spider.
What the fuck is going on?
I thought I was sitting over here in my chair discreetly farting.
Sounds
but
like
no!
a squeaky, sounds
Someone
like a
had to hear
squeaky
me.
subway or something. Sounds like a
guys.
squeaky New York subway.
Alright, guys, alright, I chose it. Guys,
Like a horror movie. Like a deserted town.
guys, I hear the car. The owners are almost here.
Oh my god.
Anthony's losing his mind.
It's no time to be playing around.
So we're stuck with this fuckhead right now. But
Okay.
we really like this guy. Honestly, KSI.
What?
Daddy looks like Gerald from Hey Arnold. How do
Hey,
you
can I
spell it?
interest you in a Charlie Chap plan?
Charlie Chapman.
The good one. Shut up.
James is a lonely boy. But when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, Blink. So I'm assuming this is the name of the person, or it could be a noun.
Maybe like a description, yeah.
Noun, but it could be a noun.
Alright, okay. Alright. Fuck it, I'm gonna do this one.
But when he discovers... Alright, everybody calm down. Let's just do the first three.
Oh shit!
Lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend.
No.
Frank!
And Frank! That's the new friend in the attic!
Person in the
Has to be!
I wasn't expecting it to be edited already. That is beautiful.
Uno!
Oh shit.
What does this do? I have no idea what it does.
Fuck!
I think you switch hands with somebody.
Oh, you just gave Jiggly!
You gave him my +2! That's a green +2! Yeah! Panda! No! That was mine again! That was mine again!
Panda, you're so good.
What the fuck? 2 matches in a... I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say.
This isn't Smash Bros.
I was just trying to keep you up.
Bye-bye. It's okay, bye-bye.
Oh.
And then there was the stick. Oh, the jump!
Why is my body bouncing?
This is a new.
I don't think I've ever seen
Gotta go! You threw the weapon!
That was the hairiest peanuts your grandma ever saw.
Yeah, no, every time we always laugh about it. She's no longer with us, sadly, but you know.
Grandma or peanuts?
Anthony finds your dead grandma hilarious.
That's not what I said.
Are you stabbing me? God, I'm going to Where'd he go? Oh my god! I killed you!
The camera is just bodies!
What happened?
Holy shit!
I killed Panda while I was trying to find you in the sky, and then I killed myself somehow.
We made a grave mistake.
You did.
Oh god. No. No. No.
What? What?
Yourself.
Where am I going?
Oh, oh, oh! Did I kill you?
Oh!
Yeah!
Holy fuck!
Oh, this is not gonna work.
Hey, 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 hey! Who's
can see-
inside there? Who's
See, this
inside?
is not going to work at all.
Guys, they're inside inside the truck. Okay. And a box just exploded from the door.
Evan, could you stop?
Guys,
It doesn't matter. We're gonna die.
No, over here.
We're gonna fucking die.
Stop, Evan!
It's over.
Listen,
It's
listen.
over.
When we open the door,
Grenades
we're
ready.
grenade. Noob tube at the same time. Noob tube.
Fucking Anthony the forklift just chilling there. God,
They were in there. They were in there.
God, Anthony just started dying.
Oh
Nice.
shit! Is he gonna stab me?
No, you're good. You're good. You're good.
You're good. You're safe. You're safe. Wow. How do you do that?
Look at it! Look where it landed! Look at this shit! Look at this
Amazing.
master!
This is beyond
Amazing.
impressive. Fuck my asshole raw. Please don't.
Hey, top hat man.
See ya.
Higher.
Hang on,
Yeah,
did we
we're
get
10. 10. 10.
We're 10 eBay. Higher, higher. 7 million.
Let's
That's my
keep
guess.
going.
To 1.8 million. Close enough.
Look at that. 11. Is this real?
That's so random. Oh shit. But I think he's definitely lower than eBay.
I'm sorry, Evan.
If he's higher, I'm fucking closing my channel. There's no way. It's gotta be lower.
Wait. You know how we make this hard? Jiggly said
I got
you
a
could do
few
whole...
ideas.
No.
Jiggly said you should animated. Hold on, continue.
How do we do? Hold on, we gotta figure this out. He has a few ideas, but how are you gonna make this hard? You got this, Moo.
Why isn't it working?
I
won't
believe
even
in you, Moo.
Did you break another mouse?
Solid shot.
I could have sworn that one was going in.
Yeah. No.
Come on.
Dude, I'm.
Thank you.
What am I hearing?
Fucking screw.
I want to sample my friends in this song.
Oh, stop going to the same exact fucking time as me, you dumb bitch.
Holy shit, people are so
Oh
bad.
god. You have to poop.
I have to poop.
You have to take a po up.
I've got to take a poop. Oh no, I'm going to take a poop.
Stop.
I'm not even sure it's funny anymore. I'm just laughing at Jiggly.
It is funny. It's funny to take a poop.
Oh, quality pops just chimes in.
Oh,
every
no.
second.
Poop.
Stop. You can't surprise me like that.
But he pulled a gun on me. That laugh.
Shut the fuck up.
I hope this ice wall thing kills you.
You're
gonna make me go pee! I'm gonna take all of myself!
What is going on?
I'm about to pee!
That was the shortest shortest
Borat. What are you saying, sorry?
And he falls off the map, deservedly so.
Borat, Bill.
Very nice. Borat,
Borat.
Oh, that's too fucking good.
Borat.
I'm gonna call it that from now on.
Where is the hole?
I ask myself that question all the time.
Where's the chitterus? Can you guys help me find the chitterus?
Excuse me, man. Where is the chitterus?
I don't think you guys are old enough for sexual activity.
I mean, not if you don't know where the chitterus is.
No, I think you gotta ask a parent first or something. Ew.
Oh my god.
Evan, what the fuck are you doing back here?
What the fuck is going on with Evan? He looks like he's riding a broom. Oh my god, look at your hands!
He's a zombie! He's a zombie!
This is
It's like he's trying to play the flute.
No!
Oh, you're a helicopter. You're an upside down ballerina.
Fuck!
What are you
I was just trying.
What the fuck are you doing?
I was gonna become a bird, and like you know, and oh my god, I am dying. I am.
What the fuck? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good?
I feel like Anthony hasn't seen half of those.
Are you good?
I haven't seen any of them.
Anthony, you just made Anthony's day right there. What a fucking shot, boys! That shit was intense. My dick would take.
What are you supposed to?
Come on.
How did you know that?
This is where it ends.
I didn't know that. I got
I'm gonna bounce you, Terroriser. Oh.
What the fuck is that?
Someone said a pterodactyl loose.
Come on, here we go. Here we go. This is what you want. Yes, this is what you want.
Yes.
What was that?
Holy shit!
I told you I got you, baby.
Fuck!
Yes!
You fucking wooden cock blocking cunts! Hit me now, you
Right in the middle.
fuck.
Right in the middle. Right.
Oh, come on!
Right down the middle.
Four of
Right
them
down the
there.
middle. Right down the middle. Right down the middle.
Oh, dude, this game.
I think he's got it now.
What is this? I can't do anything. I can jump. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
That bounce.
Keep jumping.
That was awesome.
It's working.
Come on.
Nice.
Come on.
Nice.
All right, this one. I feel a good feeling about this one.
Yep. There it is.
Come on.
Right down the center.
Feeling about it too.
What am I doing wrong?
You gotta hit it harder. What are you doing?
Fuck this hole!
Oh, this is good.
Fucking there's 4 of them there! How can it be fucking me this hard?
Go on, one more.
Give me a break! This is complete bullshit! Finally!
Good job, Nogla.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Solid fucking 8, boys.
Hey Google, who is the gaming terrorizer?
Sorry, I can't help.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Hey Google, who is Vanoss gaming?
According to Wikipedia.
Fuck off! Stop talking! Stop talking! Fuck off! Shut up! No one cares. No one cares. Hey Google, who's Jacksepticeye?
According to Wikipedia.
Fucking cunts. Hey Google, who is Brian Hanby?
Sorry, I can't help.
Fuck you. Hey Google, who is the Vanoss crew?
On the website,
Oh my
YouTube.com, they say Vanoss Gaming's crew has changed a lot over the years. The members include H2O Delirious,
Watch, it doesn't have me.
Wildcat, Nogla, Caliber, BigJigglyPanda, 07, and others.
Fuck off! My own Google doesn't even like me. Jesus Christ! Give me a break, man. I am switching you for a fucking Amazon Echo the second we get out of this house.